Exploring the fun of backyard activities, a gateway to outdoor enjoyment. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very exciting topic that's perfect for learners of all ages: backyard activities. Whether you have a small patch of green behind your house or a larger garden area, there are countless ways to make the most of this space. Backyard activities not only offer fun and relaxation but also provide a fantastic opportunity to practice English in a natural setting. So, let's get started and explore the joys of outdoor activities right in your own backyard. The term, backyard activities, refers to any form of leisure or recreational activities that you can do in the backyard of your house. This could range from gardening and barbecuing to more active pursuits like playing catch, swimming, if you have a pool, or even setting up a DIY obstacle course. The beauty of backyard activities lies in their simplicity and the ease with which they can be accessed. You don't need to travel far. You can step outside and immediately start enjoying these activities. Relaxation and leisure. For those looking to relax, consider activities like reading in a hammock, sunbathing, or even outdoor yoga. These activities offer a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of daily life, allowing you to recharge and enjoy the tranquility of your outdoor space. Gardening. Gardening is not only therapeutic but also incredibly rewarding. From planting flowers and vegetables to tending to a herb garden, gardening teaches patience, care, and the joy of seeing your efforts bloom. Sports and physical activities. For the more physically inclined, backyard sports like badminton, soccer, or frisbee can provide excellent exercise and fun. Setting up a mini golf course or a volleyball net can turn your backyard into a sports arena for friendly competition. Family activities. Backyards are perfect for family gatherings and activities. Whether it's a barbecue night, a campfire with storytelling, or a scavenger hunt, these activities strengthen bonds and create lasting memories. Engaging in backyard activities has numerous benefits. It promotes physical health through exercise, supports mental well-being by reducing stress, and enhances social interactions among family and friends. Additionally, it's a fantastic way for English language learners to practice vocabulary and conversational skills in a relaxed environment. We hope this exploration of backyard activities inspires you to make the most of your outdoor space, regardless of its size. From gardening and sports to simply lounging and enjoying nature, your backyard offers a world of opportunities for fun, learning, and relaxation. Remember, the best part about backyard activities is that they can be enjoyed alone or with loved ones, making every moment spent outdoors truly special. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you make the most of your backyard adventures.